everyone! Kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. My name is Juna. Ngayong araw na to ay magluluto po tayo ng chicken stir fry or ito po ay isang ginisang recipe. Pwede po nating tawagin ginisang gulay na may chicken o na may manok. Ito po ay magandang recipe para po sa akin na i-offer sa in-laws nyo. Kunyari po ay bago po kayong salta sa isang foreign countries. Mas maganda po kung itong klaseng recipe ang lulutuin nyo. Stir fry. Kasi pag stir fry, parang Asian na po siya. Pero pag gagamitin nyo yung uri ng itong klaseng vegetable, katulad na ginamit ko yung carrots, celery, and broccoli, at saka yung red and green bell pepper, familiar na po sila. So, hindi po sila tanong ng tanong sa inyo. Instead po na mag-i-spend kayo ng time na to answer their questions about yung food na hinain mo, may time pa po kayo, mas marami kayong time to get to know each other, di ba? So, then next time, then slowly introduce your cuisine, yung sariling sangkap na ginagamit natin, yung sariling gulay na ginagamit natin. Katulad ho yung unang video ko, yung kalabasa, yung sitaw, yung ganun. Okra, familiar po sila, pero yung mga kalabasa, yung ganun, sitaw, hindi po masyado silang familiar. So, maganda po talaga itong recipe na yung offer sa in-laws ninyo. Sana po ay magustuhan nyo yung video na to, at if you do, please click the like button. At kung bago po kayo sa channel, paki-click na lang po yung subscribe button. At simulan na po natin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I will show you how I made this chicken stir fry. This is a very quick and easy stir fry recipe, better than takeout food. And if you're new to our channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. And let's start with our ingredients. We have garlic, onions, and ginger. I also have scallions, which I separated the green and the white. These are mixed vegetable, fresh vegetable. I have carrots, broccoli, green and red bell pepper, and also celery. All of these you could buy at your local grocery store. Also sesame oil, some Himalayan salt, garlic salt, black pepper, sake or rice wine, a honey, and a chicken thigh meat, which I sliced into bite size and marinated it. If you can marinate this for an hour, that will be great, but I only have 15 minutes. So I marinate this for about 15 minutes using this marinade ingredients. All you have to do is mix them together. Now using a skillet or a wok, heat up 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You could have your own homemade chicken broth. This is really up to you, or you could just substitute this with water. Just add a stir fry seasoning. Now I'm adding the mixed vegetable. As you can see, I'm using fresh vegetable because I want my stir fry to have a crunchy vegetable. And Everything are well combined. Now just top it with the half of that green onions, the green part of the green onions. And this is ready to be served. This is done. This is a very quick and easy, delicious chicken stir-fry recipe. You could pair this with steamed white rice or just eat it just as is. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Again, thank you for visiting our channel. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. If you have questions about this recipe, please leave me a comment down below. Again, thank you everyone for watching Dash of Spices. Until next time, ciao!
Ba yung unang recipe na hinain nyo or you prepare para sa bisita nyo? Para yung unang salta nyo po dito sa Amerika, ano po yung unang recipe na niluto nyo at in-offer nyo sa in-laws nyo? At kung nagustuhan ba comment po kayo down below para maging masaya naman po tayo dito sa channel. Again, until next time, thank you for watching Dash of Spices. Ciao!